not money, not here.
I'm totally happy to have it. Yeah. It's a little bigger than